Hey everybody, Colin here, and wanted to give you this cryptocurrency update. And we're taking a look at the screens here. First and foremost, we keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance, right? We've been talking about Bitcoin dominance for quite some time. And as you can see, what's happened right now, Bitcoin had a slight rejection off of this area. Look left, we can see this was significant here. All right, we got a rejection here where we wicked up here. Also got rejected from this area. So it makes sense that we struggled a bit with this area. So Bitcoin right now is going down to test the 200 moving average. Okay, so we'll see if for Bitcoin to continue its rally up, we'll see if this 200 moving average can actually hold as support. We gained a little bit of support here, which we knew would give us a further push up, which it did. So now it's about Bitcoin holding support above the 200 moving average right here, because obviously we see that Bitcoin wants to make a run back up to this level. And if we break above this level, we could see just Bitcoin season pretty much, right? Looking at what Bitcoin's actually doing on the price action itself, as we take a look, once again, we see right here, it came down for a much needed correction, as it's been doing the entire way up, checking in with the 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart. Okay, we see that came down here, and got away from it a bit, came down and checked in here. So far on this current 4-hour candle, it looks like we're starting to get a bit of a bounce. That's definitely something that we want to see. Let me see, that's going on. So we came down, and looking left, we see this area right here with these candles. This was resistance initially. It sent us down for 3 to 4 days. Now we came down and touched for support. This is something, this is normal. It's healthy, right? It's nothing. The time to really get worried is when we just start going straight up, right? That ridiculous parabolic move. That's the time when you get concerned for even much more major corrections. So far, not too bad. On the daily, you know, we just had a cross, of course, with the 50, a golden cross of 50 crossing over the 200. The 50 moving average is sloping slightly up, and we are, what's 65, and the 50 itself is at 50. That's not too bad, to be honest. From what we've seen Bitcoin do before, it's been much worse. If we change that 50 moving average to the 13 moving average, then we see that's, you know, we can see how it's been respecting the 13 moving average so far. So it's just checked in, coming close to the 13 EMA. Just like it's been doing pretty much this whole way up since the 10th of October, right? We've been checking in occasionally. So normally when it comes down to check in here, that is a good opportunity for a buy from what I've been seeing. And again, we are right now resting above this previous measured move from this breakout here. Ultimate measured move, like I said, I have here somewhere around 90,000. So still looking out for that. But again, keep your eye on the Bitcoin dominance. Depending on what happens here, if Bitcoin starts to plummet back down, then you'll probably see a bigger move from the altcoins. On Ethereum, we can see Ethereum continue to make a very good push. It was up to almost $4,400, back down now to $4,100. A huge wick on Bitstamp, at least, down to 38. Again, to check in with the 50. So it's business as usual here as far as I'm concerned. I don't see anything to really freak out or panic about. I don't. Even if there is a dip at this point in time, guys, the bull run clearly is not over. So I think we're still looking good. All right, so I just wanted to check in with you all on this cryptocurrency update. And one other thing I had to bring to your attention, guys, pay attention to VRA. I know I've said this a few times, but just look at how Veracity has been holding up above this level. We've checked in on this level several times now. at this 53-cent level, and it's still just absolutely staying strong, which is a great sign for Veracity. Look on the weekly. Look at how we're holding above this level. We've had this level drawn out now for quite some time. It's holding strong. That is a very good sign in terms of what Veracity can do. Let's take a fib trend extension. We'll measure that to the breakout, back down to support. Let me take off auto. As you can see, we came right up to the 1, pretty much to the 1. The 618 is 9.5 cents. And wow, I mean, if this were to really complete this move, we could go 3x from here, which makes sense because normally when coins break their all-time high, you normally see it like triple in value. So a 2 to 3x would not be out of the picture here for Veracity. But my first measured move and take profit area would be here around 9 cents. So watch out for that for Veracity. But Veracity is just looking incredibly strong, holding really good market structure, holding above this support area now, which was previous resistance. So Veracity is looking strong, guys. I have to say. So look out for that. And until the next video, guys, give the video a thumbs up. Smash the like button for me. Leave a positive comment if you like the content. Share it with somebody that you feel could also benefit from it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.